In this video, I'll show you how to use Quest 2 in an app called Measured to do some quick measurements in your studio to make sure that everything is in place. First, I'll demonstrate how it works, and after that, I'll show you how to install it. But once you have installed it, you'll find it in Unknown Sources. Click Measure, it will start up, and then you can start doing measuring. First thing I did was to do like a quick check to make sure that the measures are accurate. I found that consistently the measures are off by 1 centimeter. But the accuracy isn't 100% important. What's important is the consistency. We just want to make sure that the distances are equal. What we want to do is measure the distance between the speakers and the wall and make sure that they're equally distanced. This is to avoid reflections from the wall that arrive your ears in different times from different directions. Use the trigger button to start measuring and the trigger button again to stop measuring. Then I want to measure the distance between the speakers and my head and make sure that it's an equilateral triangle, meaning that the distance between the speakers and the distance between my head in my listening position is pretty much the same. So I sit down where I usually sit, I lean a bit back and start measuring. I can see that it's off by a few centimeters. I will probably have to make small adjustments to get this perfect. The point is how much easier this method is compared to using a measuring tape, where you have to have somebody with you to hold the tape in place, keep all the numbers in your head. Every time you move something a bit, you have to restart the process. Kind of a hassle that made me not keep my monitoring placement up to date. Click on the B button, resets the view. Now I wanted to measure the distance between the floor and the ceiling and the speakers. This one didn't really come out straight and I didn't want to redo it. I just wanted to make a quick video, so I kind of stopped in the middle. But this is just to show you the concept. And now we'll check out how to install Measure, because this is a super early alpha version. Somebody just developed it and put the source code somewhere. So you can't get it from the App Store. You have to use something called Sidequest. This lets you load third-party apps. This page shows you how to install it. Once you have it installed, go to this GitHub repository and click this link. This will download the app to your computer. Once you have it downloaded, and assuming that you set up Sidequest, you can see on the top left that it's connected to my Quest. Click this button to install the APK, which is the file we just downloaded. You see that it's starting to install. And once it's completed, you will find it in Quest, in Apps, in Unknown Sources. You will see it there. So just keep in mind, this is a super early version of the app. The guy just released it a few days ago, and there's the 1 off centimeter bug, but it will probably improve over time. But it's already very useful.